Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to this really unique bearing cleaner by a company called ABC Hobby. Now, there are a lot of bearing cleaner devices out there, but this one's really unique in the sense that the motor cleaner spray forces itself through this contraption here, and it forces it directly through the bearing. So you actually get to blast out the grease and the dirt from the inside of the bearing. There are some other cleaners where you can just kind of like throw the bearings in a canister and shake them about, and you can probably get some of the dirt and grime out of it. But this device here really targets the inside and it blasts it out quite well. Now, let's take a look at what we got here. As I mentioned, it's all CNC machined and like the quality is really high. As you can see, there's some nice touches to add a nice look to it with like the chamfers here. Let's get to it. This is the main bit that's important. This here is basically where the bearing will seat itself, and there's different positions here for different size bearings. This will only work on metric sized bearings. So let's get to it. So I put my bearing on like so. It's fitted on there. Now what I'll do next is take this lower section here and just plop it in like so. As you can see there are these holes obviously where the motor spray will go right through, and on the other side you could probably see they come out through the bottom there as well. Alright, so the bearing goes on like so, and then this is the main cap that you'll put on, and as you can see there's all those little grooves which obviously allow for the bearing to sit in the appropriate position when you put it on top. And it goes on top like so. So everything's seated properly, and all you need to do next is take your motor cleaner and rest it on top. So you just take the nozzle, which is that guy there, or you can actually use the main attachment that comes off, whichever you choose, and you just simply push it down. And as you can see there, the fluid has come out through the bottom, and you're finished. Just a few squirts here and there, and you're all finished, and your bearing is nice and clean. Now, when you're all finished, you can just simply put this nice little attachment on top, take that bearing out, and it neatly sets itself up like so, and that's it. Quite unique. I haven't seen one of these at all, so that's why I picked it up. And it does the job, and it does it really well, and your bearings are clean, and it doesn't take a lot of motor spray to blast through and get everything all nice and clean. Okay, so there you go. This ABC Hobby bearing cleaner. Check out ABC Hobby. Some pretty unique stuff that they got there. So check them out. All right, bye-bye.